A very good morning to all my class 9th students. I am continuing with the chapter Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Okay, I told you what is Nazism yesterday. Nazism means a feeling of fascism, fascist policies and dictatorship policies that were used by Hitler and his party, Nazi party, that is known as Nazism. The fascist philosophy and the dictatorship policies that were used by Hitler and his party, Nazi party, that is known as Nazism. And I also yesterday's video shared the main features of Nazism. What does Nazism feature about and how was Nazism described? What are the main features of Nazism? In today's video, let's move and check what led to the rise of Nazism in Germany. नाजीज़म या हिटलर दोनों को कहते हैं एक ही बात है. नाजीज़म हिटलर की पॉलिसीज़ को कहते हैं. उसकी पार्टी नाजी पार्टी थी और उसका हेड हिटलर था. तो इन क्या व्हाट वर द रीजंस दैट मेक देम सो मच पॉपुलर. भाई उनका एकदम पीक क्यों हुआ. व्हाई दे गॉट पावर इन जर्मनी. व्हाट वर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज. व्हाट वर द रीजंस that we could take that trace back to the rise of Hitler. So first reason was that you know that Hitler became just popular just after World War I. So in World War I, Germany had lost very badly, and Germany had to sign a humiliating Treaty of Versailles. एक ट्रीटी साइन करनी पड़ी थी जर्मनी को. जर्मनी हैड टू साइन अ ट्रीटी एंड दैट ट्रीटी वाज वेरी ह्यूमिलिएटिंग. ह्यूमिलिएटिंग मीन्स बहुत ही बेइज्जती लायक थी. जर्मनी जिस तरीके की कंट्री थी, कभी उन्होंने ज़िंदगी में नहीं सोचा होगा कि उन्होंने ऐसी हार होगी उनकी और इस तरीके की उनको एक ट्रीटी साइन करनी पड़ेगी, समझौता करना पड़ेगा जिससे उनकी मेजर टेरिटरीज, बहुत सी टेरिटरीज जो जर्मनी के कंट्रोल में थी वो उनसे छीन ली गई. उनको वॉर इंडेमनिटी, बहुत पैसा देना पड़ा. ठीक है, ट्रीटी के अंतर्गत उनके पास और कोई रास्ता बचा नहीं था. तो ये एक जर्मन्स के लिए बहुत फीलिंग ऑफ शेम था. दे वर फीलिंग वेरी शेमफुल दैट अ प्राउड कंट्री लाइक जर्मनी हैज़ टू सी सच अ डे वेयर दे हैव टू साइन सच अ ह्यूमिलिएटिंग ट्रीटी वेयर द प्राउड glory of Germany was shattered completely. They lost all their emotions. They were completely disheartened. There was anger inside the people against the government in Germany कि गवर्नमेंट की वजह से, ये गलत पॉलिसीज़ की वजह से गवर्नमेंट की जर्मनी की ये हालत हुई है. एंड दिस वॉज द रीज़न वेयर हिटलर took over. Hitler played with the emotions of the people. Hitler said, I am the person that will restore the lost identity, the lost dignity of Germany. मैं जर्मनी को फिर वो गोल्डन डेज दिखाऊंगा. मैं जर्मनी को फिर से उस प्राउड कंट्री के कैटेगरी में शामिल करूंगा. इस ट्रीटी को ख़त्म कराऊंगा. अपनी लॉस्ट टेरिटरीज जो है वो वापस लूँगा. So all these qualities of Hitler, all these promises of Hitler led to the rise of Hitler. And the reason behind that was the humiliating treaty that was signed by Germany, Treaty of Versailles. Under this treaty, Germany had lost many territories, मतलब बहुत से हिस्से जो जर्मनी के कंट्रोल में थे उसकी पावर दूसरी कंट्री को देनी पड़ी थी. ठीक है, और वॉर इंडेमनिटी यानी कि बहुत पैसा देना पड़ा था, मनी देना पड़ा था जर्मनी को एज ए ट्रीटी, क्योंकि वो हार गए थे. तो इकोनॉमिकली बहुत वीक हो गए थे जर्मनी. तो these two things were behind which Hitler played with the mind of the people of Germany and he very cunningly and very positively captured the emotions of the German people and made them realize that only he can restore the lost pride of people. This was the first point. The second point was that I have told you, when you lose in a war, or when you fight a war, any country fights a war, that country has to go through economic crisis. पैसे की शॉर्टेज होती है क्योंकि वॉर में पैसा बहुत खर्च होता है, अगर इसीलिए कोई भी कंट्री जल्दी वॉर चाहती नहीं है. सो एक जर्मनी वॉज इन्वॉल्व इन वर्ल्ड वॉर वन. जर्मनी वॉज वन ऑफ द मेजर participating countries of World War I, and when Germany lost, Germany had to sign a treaty, and in that treaty Germany had to pay a very huge amount of money, and this was very tough situation for the Germany. Most of the soldiers have died. The factories were closed in Germany at that time. The things were not going. The government was unable to provide relief to the people. Production had gone down, agriculture had gone down, the industries have gone down. Government के पास इसका कोई solution नहीं था. Government was unable to provide relief to the people, and this economic crisis led Hitler capitalize the feelings against the government. उसने लोगों को सरकार के खिलाफ किया. उसने कहा इस सरकार में कोई जान नहीं है, इस सरकार को हटाओ. मैं नाजी पार्टी वर्क्स फॉर द पीपल, मैं तुम्हारे लिए काम करूँगा. हम फिर से जर्मनी को फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएंगे. ये जो फूड प्राइसेस हाई हुए हैं, जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है, ये जो वॉर का पैसा हमने खर्च किया है, बर्बाद किया है, ये सब इस सरकार की नाकामी है. All these things are failure of this government. So constantly he mobilized the people. He went to the people, he went in the public, he talked about the failures of the government, and people came in the words of Hitler because he was a very strong personality, a very capital, I would be saying captivating personality, जो किसी को भी impress कर सकता था. तो ये दो reasons थे major. First is humiliating treaty of Versailles, and the second is economic crisis in Germany that led to sharp rise of Nazi party. Third is spread of communism. कार्ल मार्क्स की थ्योरी कम्युनिज्म यानी कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी. I have taught you that in this period, World War I, Russian revolution was also going on. Russian revolution, इसके पहले का चैप्टर भी मैंने पढ़ाया था. Russian revolution was in the hands of whom? Lenin and Stalin. They propagated the policies of communism, and communist party was gaining importance in different countries. Hitler was against this. Hitler did not want communism to spread its wings in Germany. तो उसने कहा लोगों के बीच में जाके कि कम्युनिज्म के बहुत ही नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट्स हैं और कम्युनिज्म को हम आने नहीं देंगे यहाँ पे, और इससे किसी का फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ है. सो ही very शार्पली एंड very फास्टली मेड पीपल अगेंस्ट कम्युनिज्म. उसने कहा कि अगर रशिया आ जाएगा तो रशिया का कंट्रोल हो जाएगा जर्मनी पे, और जर्मनी का बचा कुचा भी इतिहास खत्म हो जाएगा. द ग्लोरी ऑफ द जर्मनी विल बी गॉन. सो पीपल वांटेड, द जर्मन्स हैड अ फीलिंग दैट जर्मनी इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल कंट्री एंड जर्मनी शुड regain its lost glory. So they were attracted to Hitler. Hitler very sharply and very intelligently played with the feelings of the people, and thus he prevented the spread of communism in Germany. He prevented the spread of communism, the spread of Communist Party. Because he told people that if Communist Party will be having power in Russia, in Germany, it will work like Russia and Germany का कभी भी भला नहीं हो सकता है. एक तरीके से हम रशिया के गुलाम हो जाएंगे और रशिया के हिसाब से ही हम चलने लगेंगे. So this was a third major problem, third major point why Hitler became very popular. Okay, next point that is very important is the personality of Hitler. The personality of Hitler, and two more points are there which I guess I'll provide you the notes today, but I will explain it in the videos to come. Class 9th, your exams are about to start and I hope you are studying. If you feel any problem in any of the chapter that is not clear to you, you could easily give me a call, okay? And if there is problem in any of the notes also, you could give me a call. It's I think you are understanding the things, and I hope that you will do good in your SST in that time too.